Welcome to my channel Sociology 3 in 1. Today we will talk about the concept of cultural norms and how these are formed. Norms are the agreed upon expectations and rules by which a culture guides the behavior of its members in any given situation. Of course, norms vary widely across cultural groups. Americans, for instance, maintain fairly direct eye contact when conversation with others. Asians, on the other hand, may avert their eyes as a sign of politeness and respect to others. Sociologists speaks of at least 4 types of norms, that is, folkways, mores, taboos, and laws. Folkways, sometimes known as conventions or customs, are standards of behavior that are socially good but not morally significant. For example, belching loudly after eating dinner at someone else's home breaks an American folkway. Mores or norms of morality. Breaking mores like attending church in the nude will offend some people of a given culture. Certain behaviors are considered taboo, meaning a culture absolutely forbids them, like incest in the US culture. Finally, laws are a formal body of rules enacted by the state and backed by the power of the state. Virtually all taboos like child abuse are enacted into law, although not all mores are. For example, wearing a bikini to church may be offensive, but it is not against the law. Members of a culture must conform to its norms for the culture to exist and function in society. Hence, members must want to conform and obey rules. They first must internalize the social norms and values that dictate what is normal for the culture. Then they must socialize or teach norms and values to their children. If internalization and socialization fail to produce conformity, some form of social control is eventually needed. Social control may take the form of ostracism.